In this video, I will show you how to remove card from Prizepicks. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on prizepicks.com. Now, I have actually found an article to give you some more information, and it's just a few guidelines to adhere to remove a card from Prizepicks. Now, on this page, if we scroll down towards the bottom, you're going to see a section which says, how do I remove or replace payment methods associated with my Prizepicks account? Now, it says here you can remove a payment method after 60 days have passed since your first deposit using that payment method. All you need to do is simply log into your account and tap the deposit button, which is in the top right hand corner of the screen. And once you're on the deposits page, you should see a trash can icon. What you can do is click the icon to remove a payment method. Now, if the trash can icon isn't there, that means you still need to wait for your 60-day waiting period to end. And just a couple of guidelines is that you may only request to remove a payment method once in any calendar month and no more than 5 times across any 12-month span. For security reasons, PayPal does not permit you to remove your account. So that's how to remove cards from Prizepicks. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.